Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn the third poem from the first unit. It is The Pilgrim. Okay. So, students, we don't know the poet, okay, who have written this poem. That's why it is written here that anonymous. Okay, we don't know its poet. So, students, what do you mean by pilgrim? Pilgrim means a traveler. Okay. So students, this is a metaphoric poem. Okay, means in this poem comparison is done. Okay, it is explained on the with the help of the comparison. Okay, we will get to know the meaning of the poem through the comparison. Okay, it is not a direct giving explanation. Okay, there is a hidden meaning, okay, indirect meaning of this poem. So we will come to know the actual moral or strong message of this poem after we learn the whole poem. Okay, so students, this is an inspiring and touching poem with a strong message. It tells us about an old man who is unselfish. After he has crossed a deep chasm, he stops, okay, and starts to build a bridge to help a youth who is coming along the same path. Even though the old man knows that he himself will never have the chance to cross that bridge. Okay, this is story of a old pilgrim. So we will come to know its meaning, okay, when we learn it. Okay, so we will start with the first stanza. Okay, let's start. A pilgrim going a lone highway came at evening cold and grey to a chasm deep and vast and wide. The old man crosses in the twilight dim. The chasm held no fear for him, but he paused when he reached the other side and built a bridge to span the tide. Okay, so in this stanza, we will see that a pilgrim is going alone on a highway. He is traveling. Pilgrim means traveler. He is traveling on a highway and he is alone. Okay. Came at evening cold and grey. So it is a evening time and the evening is cold and grey. Okay, so students, here the journey or life of that old man is compared with the day. Okay, means here the sunrise means the birth of that man. Okay, as we also think that sunrise is a sign of a birth. Okay, it's sign of the beginning. And as the day go means as his life goes, he became old. So here his old days are compared with the evening time. Okay, and the night time means close of the day is referred to as his death. Okay, so that's why we call this poem as a metaphoric poem. Okay, means there is a hidden or indirect message that we learn from this poem. Okay, so that old man is traveling on an highway and came at at cold and grey evening, means he is at the end of his life. He was very old. To a chasm deep and vast and wide. So here chasm means ravine, a very deep steep gap in the earth's surface. So in simple words, it is a valley. So in Marathi we call it as dari and in Hindi we call it as khai. Okay, so I think you got the meaning of the chasm. Chasm means a deep valley Deep, vast means big, and wide means also big, a big and deep valley. So here chasm is referred to as some difficulties or problems. That means the old man is having a difficulty or a big problem. The old man crossed in the twilight dim. So here twilight means a soft glowing light from the sky when the sun is below the horizon. Okay, means twilight dim. Dim means faint. Means the old man crossed that chasm, that valley in the faint light. Okay, the chasm held no fear for him as he was old, he was experienced. Okay, the, that valley held no fear for him, he was fearless. But he paused when he reached the other side. Okay, so as soon as he reached other side of the valley, he paused, stopped himself. Okay, so let's see what he will do. And built a bridge to span the tide. Span the tide means go across the tide, means he built a bridge. Okay, so you can see in this picture he built the bridge to cross that valley. Okay, so here what do we mean by this stanza? That the old pilgrim is going on an highway, means he is living his life, and after that he became old. Okay, and he faced a difficulty or a big problem, but as he was experienced, okay, that problem held no fear for him, he was fearless, so he found solution over that. Okay, and he crossed that valley. But after reaching the other side, means after solving that problem, what he do? He built a bridge to span the tide. Okay, so students, in our daily life also, in means in some years ago, we were also facing some problems. Okay, that means uh, there is a problem of traveling. Okay, in many years ago we have to travel by road. Okay, and we can go from one place to other place by walking. There were no vehicles, no cars, no planes, nothing. So there are only two ways to travel. First, we can go by walking, or we can travel in the cart. Okay, buffalo cart or horse cart. So these are only ways for traveling. But now there are more inventions. Okay, and we can travel by motorcycle, cars, or planes, train, bus. So what does it say? That some people improvised, okay, on some things. Okay, they have made our life better. Okay, they have made the life better for the new generations. So in the same way that old pilgrim was doing, so he faced that problem, but he found solution over that. And what he have done? He built a bridge to span the tide, means to go across the tide. So students, in this stanza there are various rhyming words. Let's see that. The first rhyming pair is way, gray. Okay, dim, him, side, tide. Okay students, so this is the first stanza. Okay, so in the next video we will see second and third stanza. Okay, thank you.